Hello, and welcome to another update video about Crow Chronos. This is one of the more interesting ones at the moment, a really good performer here today. I mean, if this continues, it could really be outperforming some of the other coins because Crow is a little bit behind the other ones, but now obviously it's catching all of that up. It might create a new impulse now. We obviously need to be on our toes here due to the entire situation in the market with Bitcoin possibly putting in a B-wave top and things like that. You will know about that if you've been watching my Bitcoin or our Bitcoin video. The point here is that in a possible third wave, if it really started, and to be honest, at the moment, just simply looking at the chart, we have reasons to assume that because we rallied impulsively off the 10th of March low to around 7.5 cents. We came down in 3 waves in a possible ABC structure, and we reacted to the buy zone, to the 6.6 cent level, in this case, the golden ratio, and we broke above the wave 1 high, and we're currently holding it, yeah, or at least we try to hold it. So the bulls are fighting here. Target for a third wave would be the 9.4 cent level. But there's quite a distance to go there. If it can get there and then break above this high, which was made on the 18th of February, which is that 9.5 cent level, then I think we have more certainty that we really are in a third wave. And that would not only be a third wave, it would be a third wave of a larger third wave. So quite bullish eventually. But of course, it's very early days. I'm a bit skeptical at this stage. But yeah, it's all about wait and see now. I mean, this was the trend reversal area. A lot of coins that sold off yesterday and lost their, let's say, their gains of yesterday again. Because first of all, we had a bit of a rally. Then it was all sold off again. A lot of that was bought up again. Crow obviously outperforming a little bit, which is good. But yeah, I mean, I see this as a possible third wave rally now. But how likely is it? We had a lot of attempts, okay? But to be honest, since the 10th of March, this is the first time that we see something like this. In this entire period here, we haven't seen something like that. So it's quite important and significant movement, and it's worth observing it, I think. Task for the bulls is to, of course, hold now that swing low here at basically 7 or let's say 6.9 cents, yeah? This swing low needs to hold. I mean, this could be a 1-2 setup with now a third wave in the making. A bit too early to really put a subwave structure count on this. But what we would be looking for in a third wave is, of course, another 5-wave move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. But yeah, so this is a swing low that needs to hold to maintain the upside momentum. We have decent volume, which is interesting, yeah. It is really good volume that we have, probably the highest volume that we've had since, oh dear, since December 22. And I mean, that was a fake out rally. That's why I often say, I'm not really watching volume too much. A lot of people ask me to consider volume more, but I find volume quite deceptive in crypto because things change so quickly. When volume shows up, the crowd is already there and things really change quickly in crypto. So if you wait for volume to show up to confirm something, it's often too late, yeah. So that's why I think it's often deceptive. But still, what we can see here certainly is that not even when we rallied here on the 10th of March, we by far didn't have that volume. So I don't know if there was something fundamental that happened about Crow, but certainly an interesting observation here, and the targets should be known. Also the key support and invalidation points. Okay, that's my update about Crow. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.